Download 2019, yeah. Not as sunny as last year.
1 year later and not much has changed.
Yeah, there you go.
Hello everyone, this has got to be the most fun part of download so far, just sitting here before actually leaving or being bothered to do anything because I haven't even packed yet, and just sipping my old big mug of coffee. I'm going to have much more fun this year than I did last year, I guarantee it, even though the weather is actually predicted to be very bad compared to last year where I got absolutely sunburnt to a crisp. Why is my life so easy? First world problems.
The duck says, "Ah, salmonella." The cow says, "Ah, anthrax." I heard somebody had the bubonic plague. Or was it diabetes?
So last year as well, my phone ran out of battery right at the very end, and then Rob graciously recorded a video for me to sign the video off. So this time I'm showing you that I've got 2 power banks this time. Not 1 but 2. Just like, can you fix that bit at the back for me? Thank you. So it's 11:46 and I still haven't left the flat yet because I'm trying to put together this thing. And I'm waiting for some clothes, mainly pants, to dry. But this should take me about 5 hours, do you think? I've got the frame of the tent, the wheel, the axle, the wait for you to, there you go, mush. The handle, the shovel board, the steering wheel, the bolts and nuts. Oh, I'm so nutty! Is it just me or does this thing just look very, very small? This is not how they described it in the brochures. Okay, abandon ship because this is way too small. Sorry, folks. So, got my download essentials, and now it's time to cook, Jesse. One hand, look at me. I've already got coke in you, so it's okay. Alright. I really hope I don't overfill it with, like, loads of Disaronno. Perfect. Ugh. So now, this is pretty much easier to carry. I repeat. So I've didn't manage to record me actually leaving because I was a bit tired and I was like, oh Christ, I forgot to record, and I've, can't film while you're driving, so I'm a bit parked up. So yeah, just stopped at the services, had a bladder evacuation, if that makes any sense, and just got a bit of food because I'm feeling a bit peckish, and hopefully this food will be cheaper than the ones that are download. Food, plural, weird, plural.
Yeah, they've completely changed the layout this year as well. So, everything's where it's supposed to be.
So fun. And what I've done over my bag. Oh, it's sunny last year, isn't it?
Okay, sit rep from Camp KB and Rob. It's gonna get heavy apparently.
Something like that.
But you got me on the counter.
It wasn't me!
Someone hanging on the sofa.
It wasn't me!
Someone in the shower. It wasn't me.
This is a rock festival.
Hello.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Where's the lamb sauce?
Where's the lamb sauce?
There's so much oil on this plate. Take 2. Hello.
Hello.
Cunts.
Are you enjoying this rock festival right now?
He's enjoying it as well. It's Dan.
Who wants to go for a swim?
No, well, they've got enough fucking water.
Has anyone got a
My chair is collapsing.
Woohoo! My chair hasn't even got a cup holder.
I will find you.
Start it again.
Yes.
Please do what he says. He's scaring me. He's whispering in my ear.
That really. It was Karen! It was
Slayed the beast!
It was KB the Man!
Hear me roar! Where's the lamb sauce? Get up, you're going down with the sickness! Get up! Down with the sickness! Get up! Down with the sickness! Happy birthday! Blow out the candles! Way! Wish granted! Happy Wednesday. All of it. And now to no, get away, co-op man. A gnome hanging.
Yeah.
That is our daily snip of the day.
20.
Cool. 19. 17.
15. 14.
The same number you said last. Fucking 13!
What did you say, 19?
Hopeless. No, 14. It's a 14.
Or 14? 13.
12. 11.
10.
9. Remember. Yes. One more rule. 4. 1. Yes.
Say 5!
That's fucking teamwork!
Okay, the power metal formula for naming a power metal band, right? It needs to be either 3 or 4 syllables. Let's go like da-da-da, alright? Dragon Force, Power Quest, Glory Hammer, Sabaton.
Wow, this is a treat. After I napped in my tent. Let's go stand. They're bringing some prisoners to download. Free of charge. Straight from Broadmoor. Never killed myself to save my soul. I was gone, but I was out of
The NHS specifically recommends jelly babies to type 1 diabetics to get their blood sugar level up quickly in an emergency. Fucking jelly babies!
Constant threat of being dive bombed.
And they told us that 10 of us would arrive and 1 would leave. And they were right.
R.I.P. in peace.
So Rob Zombie. Rob Zombutterfly. Yeah. That's his Disney version.
One of the, probably the second best Rob who's ever lived.
Who's the first? Rob Halford. Alright, partner. Keep on rolling, baby. What I'm trying to say is we're here.
Yes.
Finally. Am I to wait for that long? You tell me. Everything's falling apart. Everything's falling apart.
Right then, so we're at the Avalanche tent. Zebrahead just played. Awesome.
I'm okay.
Yeah, he's
Not
okay.
sunburnt this time.
Right, okay. You just got back from seeing Conjurer. How were they?
What?
How were Conjurer?
Oh, Conjurer, yeah, they were brilliant. I mean, I haven't really seen a band as heavy as them before, so it was a bit of a fresh work from me. But from what I heard,
Cool, I was raving about the Leopards. So, yeah.
amazing
Stuff.
Excuse me, Rob, would you stop interrupting me? Get it? Because the band's called The Interrupters. Any words before we see Real Big Fish? No?
Life sucks, so let's dance. Life sucks, so let's dance. Yeah, baby, if we have some fun, we won't feel so bad. Let's go!
Hey! Oh! Let's go! Hey! Oh! Let's go! Burn through the witch's den!
Oh my fucking god. Really? Ah! Draw loose!
Too many dicks on the dance floor!
Let's march, boys! Onwards and upwards, motherfuckers! Out of the way, broken one! We are going to start the bastard who killed this. Oh, wait, what?
Wait, what? What? I work for
Yeah, exactly.
Forget about it.
Come on then, square goal! Tis as dark as the Battle of Winterfell! Wow! Oh my god! Oh no! They have shackled my very soul! That's to rain hail down on your whole world. In a few minutes, your whole world's gonna turn blank.
Hey bro, try to sleep it down, lad, yeah? Just chuck it in the ute.
Oh, you want heaps of space back there.
Mate, you just gotta chuck it in the ute.
Happy 2019!
1 year till 2020, boys!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Easy, Rob Hampton.
Sorry! Hey! Painkiller! Oh, I think I found a black hole in the sky.
Let me show you this text I got from Rob.
Anytime you guys can call it out soon, please, or at least be a little bit quiet. Not our fault.
I'm just gonna put lol.
We should send all astronauts to Jupiter to be able to gather information on the surface.
We don't know what's going on down there. It's just clouds.
Now, let me be clear, okay? Bernie Sanders, okay. College students have too much debt, okay? We gotta do something about
They're
it.
not smoking enough weed.
Frankly. Okay.
Hi. Sadly, it is still spraying around. I always get ill at festivals. I haven't even drunk that much, I just get ill. So I put extra socks in my wellies, because these have got like metal toe boots. So, well, they've got boots in boots. Yummy, yummy spider.
Burger, full stop S, burger. That the sun is going to be like this when Slipknot plays for once.
I reckon as soon as and the way we put it through in conversation.
Oh, that's too much jinxing. I'm not sure I like that.
Seeing as it's relatively dry. How about we just get the fuck on out there, download on you runner!
Against the walls, but no one else can see the preservation of the model and me. People equal shit! People equal shit! People equal shit! People equal shit! People equal shit!
Welcome to our blanket fort. This is a good cure for my feet as well.
Okay,
It's Sunday, last day of bands. Mr. KB is packing his shit away.
This is so fun. But, and again, I get to have a nice hot shower when I get home if I don't wake anybody up. 1 o'clock in the morning.
Totally.
I can't believe it, your hands I to sleep, but the grip, it all so easy. I'm trapped in my head, defeated. Get those fucking hands back up! I never felt this before.
Somebody's gonna die. And you can't escape the rain anywhere.
Okay, so we are on our way home from Download Festival. Well, it was a tough weekend, wasn't it, lads? I mean, it was tough to get out of that car park, let me tell you. Just mud everywhere, and luckily, Matt back there is a genius and used Google Maps instead of my antiquated sat-nav from 2010 to get us where we need to go. So yeah, no traffic where we are. We managed to avoid junction 24. Apparently there was an accident. We avoided that completely, got on junction 23 and it's now 9:49. Should be home by 10:57.